Dreaming of that new car? Unless you've got $1 million chilling in your account, you're making a massive mistake. Let's talk numbers. A brand new car can lose 20 to 30% of its value in the first year alone. That's thousands of dollars vanishing the second you drive off the lot. A $30,000 car? You're out $6,000 to $9,000 instantly. And for what? A slightly upgraded sound system? Now let's look at a well-maintained used car. You can often find a reliable vehicle for $15,000, half the price of a new one. And guess what? The steepest depreciation has already happened. You're saving tens of thousands of dollars, and your car isn't turning into a money pit. Here's the rule. Don't buy a new car unless you have $1 million in your bank account. That gives you the financial cushion to absorb the depreciation without breaking a sweat. Otherwise, that new car smell is just the scent of financial irresponsibility. Stop throwing money away. Buy used, invest the difference, and build real wealth. Subscribe, and let's get smart about cars.